Hello everyone and welcome to the another video of Export Import Management. I am Dr. Neeta Vaidande, Associate Professor in the Department of Commerce, the Bhopal School of Social Sciences. In this video, we are going to cover the module of International Market Selection. International market selection is a process and it is not a easy process. Okay, international market selection requires scrutiny, investigation, evaluation of various parameters, risks, payment methods, and many other processes. So let us start with international market selection. To begin with, we are going to cover the various concepts like whether deciding to go abroad or not, which market to enter, because each and every market is not equally promising and potential market to enter in, deciding how to enter the market because there are various modes of entry method like franchising, licensing, joint ventures, direct exporting. So which method is suitable to enter into international market depending upon various parameters is equally important. The next concept that we are going to study is deciding on various marketing programs. Like the exporter may take the help of various trading houses and export houses to distribute their products in the overseas market. And the last part is challenges in international marketing. Selecting international market is very different from selecting any local or domestic market. Why? The reasons are that there are different currencies involved, various risks, trade barriers, different payment methods, policies, etc. So international marketing is very complex and lengthy process due to several documentations also involved in selecting the overseas market. There are two determinants of international marketing selection, that is firm related factors and market related factors. Let us understand what are the firm related factors, like objectives of the firm, why the organization wants to go international, why the company wants to enter into international market. The objectives can be very different. It can be the growth, it can be profit motive, it can be market expansion, etc. So the company first has to decide objective of entering into international market. Another firm related factor are company's financial, technical, and managerial resources availability. The company or the organization has to verify whether they are financially and technically sound to enter into any international market. Dynamism and philosophy of top management is also to be scrutinized and evaluated by the organization, and internal power and politics. These are the firm related factors that the company need to observe, evaluate, and assess while going internationally. Market related factors are classified into two: general factors and specific factors. General factors are the macro factors, the broad factors which covers economic factors, political factors, technological dimensions, demography, etc. Whereas specific factors are more specific, that is trends in the domestic market, nature of competition, supply condition, availability of raw material, infrastructural availability in international market, etc. So these kind of general and specific parameters have to be studied in detail by the company before entering into international market. Now let us understand market selection process. Market selection process is very lengthy and it also requires a detailed investigation by the organization, defining market objectives, parameters for market selection, preliminary screening, shortlisting of overseas market, evaluation and selection are certain steps involved in market selection process. When you talk about export marketing objectives, the company has to be very clear with what are the objectives for which they are trying to penetrate into any overseas market. They can sell the surplus production which is not being sold in domestic market, but it can find a way to be sold in international market and get an acceptance by the overseas customers. The company or the organization may study various parameters. The parameters may involve market demand, acceptability for the product by the customers in the overseas market, intensity of competition, consumer psychology existing in the market, etc. The organization may also go for evaluating market attractiveness, competitive strength, and company's capability while entering into international market. The third process is preliminary screening. Preliminary screening involves collecting required information about different market, because every market is not equally promising. As we know, there are different markets, there are n number of, there's a big list of markets, okay, but it is not possible for the organization to enter into every market. So they go for scrutinizing the market based on such parameters as I told, like market attractiveness, competitive strength, company's capabilities, and based on these the market is being selected by the organization. Screening facilitates shortlisting of markets, and the shortlisting is on the basis of high ranking, for which there can be a positivity after selecting the market. It may vary from product to product, size of population, structure of the economy, political conditions prevailing in the country, etc. So, based on these parameters, a preliminary screening can be undertaken by the organization for final selection of market. After preliminary screening, the organization go for shortlisting of market. Screening facilitates elimination of unpromising market and also enables final selection of promising and a prompt market which can be profitable for the organization. A detailed scrutiny of shortlisted market ensures attractive returns on the initial investment. And the last step is evaluation and selection. The company go for evaluating the markets based on certain parameters and then go for final selection. Finally selected market are those markets which help the organization to earn profit on investment. After a final selection, the organization go for test marketing. Test marketing enables the organization to understand whether the product selected for that particular market and the market which is selected is promising and is able to give them equal returns on investment or not. Test marketing helps in avoiding unnecessary problems. After test marketing, the organization can go for commercial production. Now, in this last slide, let us understand what are the challenges faced by the organization while entering into international market. The challenges are unstable government, where there is a fluctuations in the government, the market is not promising and is not advisable. Political restrictions, incompatibility of technical standard, foreign exchange problems, government bureaucracy, tariff and non-tariff barriers, high cost of product, infrastructural problems, and communication problems. All these are the challenges that can be faced by an organization. So, these should be studied in detail before entering into any international market. With this, I end the module of international market selection. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, have a good day.